Hello everybody. If you'd like to blend two photos in one without messy editing, with Google's Nano Banana, today we are going to do so within some seconds. So let's just get started. You can head over and go to gemini.google.com, open it up, and Nano Banana is already built in. You do not need to use the separate app for that. Now what you can do is you can upload your images here. You can upload two photos that you want to merge. So for example, you can go ahead and click on this plus icon and look out for upload files, or you can even add it from your drive. And once you do so, what you can do is you can upload two kind of pictures, for example, a portrait photo and a scenic background. So let's say I would like to add these two images. So I'm just going to go ahead and select it and click on open. And once you've added the image, you can just go ahead and give in the prompt. So you can type in place the first photo into the background of the second photo, or blend naturally. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in blend these two pictures and go ahead and type in this prompts and do it smoothly. I'm just gonna go ahead and do so. And you can also copy similar kind of prompt or just go ahead and do so. And you can make the accurate positioning or the background blending. You can just go ahead and do so, and it should automatically do so. So wait for these two pictures to be uploaded completely first. There we go. Now you can just go ahead and hit enter, and within some seconds, once you do so, it will merge both images in one seamless photo. No cutout, no edges, no awkward shadows, just a natural looking composition. So you can wait for some seconds in order for it to happen, and there we go. Now we can see this image right here. Mine is not really accurate, this prompt right here. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and make it write up accurate prompt instead. If the placement is not perfect, you can adjust your prompt in this chat box right here and write the adjustments right here. And that's it. You can see the two images has been merged now easily. And that's how you basically merge two images seamlessly in seconds using Nano Banana. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.